Hi there. Let's learn prefix on, with 50 words and how to use them in sentences. Here we go.
Prefix "un" is used to denote negation, lack, reversal, or the absence of something. When added to a word, "un" generally indicates the opposite or the undoing of the word's original meaning. Unhappy. Feeling sorrowful or not satisfied. Example: she was unhappy with her test results. Unfortunate. Having bad luck or unfavorable circumstances. Example: it's unfortunate that the event got cancelled due to bad weather. Unlikely. Not probable or expected to happen. Example: it's unlikely that she will be able to attend the party. Unsuccessful. Not achieving the desired result or outcome. Example: despite his efforts, he was unsuccessful in winning the competition. Unpleasant. Not enjoyable or causing discomfort. Example: the smell in the room was quite unpleasant. Unfair. Lacking justice or equality. Example: the judge's ruling was deemed unfair by the defense. Uncommon. Not occurring frequently or being rare. Example: owning a pet kangaroo is quite uncommon in this area. Unhealthy. Not promoting good health or well-being. Example: eating fast food regularly is unhealthy for your body. Unnecessary. Not needed or required. Example: please remove any unnecessary items from your bag. Unusual. Different from what is typical or common. Example: she has an unusual talent for playing the harmonica. Unfriendly. Not kind or welcoming in behavior. Example: the neighbor gave her an unfriendly look as she passed by. Unfinished. Not completed or brought to a conclusion. Example: the painting remained unfinished due to lack of inspiration. Unbalanced. Not evenly distributed or lacking stability. Example: the table was unbalanced, causing the glasses to tip over. Unstable. Not firm, steady, or secure. Example: the patient's condition is still unstable and requires close monitoring. Unravel. To separate or clarify the intricacies of something. Example: the detective worked tirelessly to unravel the mystery. Untrue. Not in accordance with facts or reality. Example: his claim that he was at home all evening is simply untrue. Unjust. Lacking fairness or equity. Example: the decision to terminate her employment was unjust. Unaware. Not having knowledge or consciousness of something. Example: she was unaware of the surprise party planned for her. Uncertain. Not definite or having doubt or ambiguity. Example: the outcome of the negotiation is still uncertain. Unkind. Lacking kindness or compassion. Example: it was unkind of her to make fun of his appearance. Unwanted. Not desired or wished for. Example: she received many unwanted emails in her spam folder. Uncover. To reveal or expose something previously hidden. Example: the archaeologists uncovered ancient artifacts at the site. Undeniable. Impossible to deny or dispute. Example: the evidence against him was undeniable. Unseen. Not seen or observed. Example: the creature lurking in the depths of the ocean remains unseen. Unthinkable. Not able to be imagined or considered. Example: the idea of giving up never crossed her mind, it was unthinkable. Unfit. Not suitable or proper. Example: he was deemed unfit for the physical demands of the job. Unresolved. Not settled or determined. Example. The conflict between the two nations remained unresolved. Unbreakable. Not able to be broken or shattered. Example. The superhero's shield was made of an unbreakable material. Unpredictable. Not able to be predicted or anticipated. Example. The weather in this region is highly unpredictable. Untidy. Not neat or organized. Example. Her room was always untidy, with clothes scattered everywhere. Unplug. To disconnect or remove from a power source. Example. Please remember to unplug the charger after your phone is fully charged. Unemployed. Without a job or work. Example. After being laid off, he remained unemployed for several months. Unwritten. Not written down or established by written rules. Example. There are many unwritten rules of etiquette in social situations. Unwise. Not showing good judgment or wisdom. Example. It would be unwise to invest all your money in a single stock. Unleash. To release or set free. Example. The magician unleashed a burst of confetti during the performance. Untouched. Not touched or affected by something. Example. The untouched snow on the mountaintop was breathtakingly beautiful. Unfold. To open up or reveal gradually. Example. The story begins to unfold as the chapters progress. Unveil. To remove a covering and reveal something. Example. The artist will unveil their latest sculpture at the art exhibition. Unload. To remove a load or burden. Example. Please help me unload the groceries from the car. Uncontrolled. Not restrained or regulated. Example. The fire spread uncontrolled, causing extensive damage. Untangle. To separate or free from tangles or knots. Example. She spent hours trying to untangle the wires behind her computer. Unsettled. Not settled or resolved. Example. The dispute between the neighbors remained unsettled. Unmask. To reveal or expose the true nature or identity of something or someone. Example. The journalist worked tirelessly to unmask the corrupt officials. Unfamiliar. Not familiar or known. Example. She found herself in an unfamiliar neighborhood after taking a wrong turn. Unzip. To open or undo a zipper. Example. She unzipped her bag to retrieve her passport. Unfold. To open or spread out. Example. The flower began to unfold its petals in the morning sunlight. Uncover. To remove a cover and reveal what is beneath. Example. The investigation aims to uncover the truth behind the crime. Unattended. Not being looked after or supervised. Example. The suitcase was left unattended at the airport. Unbolt. To undo or remove a bolt or fastening. Example. Please unbolt the door to let some fresh air into the room. Unexplored. Not explored or investigated. Example. The unexplored wilderness is a paradise for adventure seekers.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.